SQL interview question and answer. Question number 34. What is the use of decode function in SQL? Is there any limitation on its use? This question is asking about where do you use decode function in SQL? Mainly talking here Oracle SQL. If there is any limitation, what is that limitation? Give an example. Decode function is used to convert values based on conditional logic. It works as if then else logic, but it has certain limitations. Decode function works on equality check. That means it works perfectly fine for equal check, but it fails to work on other relational operators. Example, greater than, less than, greater equal to, less equal to. In such a relational operator, it doesn't work. We have given one view. Its name is decode test view. Let me check data first. I am selecting first name, last name, salary from decode test view. When I run this code, then it will display result as below. It has 5 records and 3 columns, where columns are first name, last name, salary as I selected. In case of salary column, we can easily observe maximum salary is 11,000, minimum salary 6,400, and other two salaries are intermediate salary, which are 8,200 and 7,500. Suppose I am going to create a report which includes 4 columns. Last one column is salary category. That means I am going to categorize the salary. I am trying to get here maximum salary range category A, minimum salary range category C, and intermediate salary range category B. Then it works perfectly fine for following logic. If salary is 11,000, then salary category is category A. Else if salary 6,400, then salary category is category C. All other are category B. It works perfectly fine when we use decode function. But it fails to work following logic. That means suppose I am trying to get category based on certain range. I am trying to get here category A for all the salary having greater or equal to 10,000. Similarly, category C, all the salary having less or equal to 7,000, and all other remaining category B. Then decode function doesn't work this logic because it contains here a relational operator like greater or equal to, less equal to. That is the limitation. Let me use decode function first and obtain the result. Select first name, last name, salary, decode. After that, we have to provide here column name, salary. If salary is 11,000, then salary category is category A. Else if salary is 6,400, salary category is category C. All other are category B. And its column name is salary category. It works perfectly fine. We are taking here from decode test view. When we run this code, after successful running, it displays the result as shown below. We have here 4th column where maximum salary 11,000 category A, minimum salary 6,400 category C, and other two salary are category B. That is perfectly fine. That means it works with equality. That means equality check. But it fails to work on relational operator like greater than, less than, greater equal to, or less equal to. In such a condition, it fails to work. To overcome above limitation, we can use case statement, which uses case and when. It works on all relational operators. That means equal, less, greater, less than equal to, greater than equal to. Let me run this code in our Oracle developer window and observe the result. This is our Oracle developer window where I am going to run those code which I explained before. First of all, let me check data from provided view. Its name is Decode test view. I am selecting here first name, last name, salary from Decode test view. Let me run this code. This is our result window where result contains 5 records and 3 columns. Columns are first name, last name, salary. In case of salary column, we can easily observe maximum salary is 11,000, minimum salary is 6,400, and two intermediate salaries are 8,200 and 7,500. I am going to create a report which contains 4 columns. Next column is here salary category, which includes category of the salary range or salary value. For maximum salary, I am providing here category A, minimum salary category C, and intermediate salary category B. To change the report as required, I am using here decode function. Let me use here select first name, last name, salary, decode. Inside the parentheses, we have to provide column name at which we are working in decode function. That means the column is here salary. Then it says here if salary is 11,000, then it is category A. Else if salary 6,400, then its category is category C, and other all remaining are category B. A new column name is salary category from decode test view. That means decode function directly apply only for equality. That's why we have mentioned here specific value 11,000 and 6,400. Let me run this code and observe the result. This is our final result where another column is here salary category. As mentioned above, maximum salary 11,000 is category A, minimum salary 6,400 category C, and other remaining two salaries 8,200 and 7,500 they are category B. That means decode function perfectly works with equality check. But if we have to mention here certain category range, for example, if salary is greater than 10,000, then it is category A. If salary is less equal to 7,000, category C. In such condition, it doesn't work. That is the limitation of decode function. To overcome this limitation, we have to use case statement, as I mentioned before, which includes case and when, so that it can work for all relational operators. That's all about question number 34. Thank you.